Hey everyone, what if I told you that the money you trade today has roots going back thousands of years? From gold coins in ancient kingdoms to high-speed algorithms in modern Forex markets, the foreign exchange market or Forex has evolved into the largest financial system in the world. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through time, the history of currency, the rise of global trading, and how we ended up with the 24-hour, $7 trillion a day Forex market we know today. Let's dive into the fascinating story of Forex trading. Barter to coins the origins of exchange. Long before charts and candlesticks, people traded goods by bartering. Wheat for livestock, spices for fabric. But bartering had problems. What if the other person didn't want what you had? How do you measure the value of something? That's when humans invented money. Starting with metal coins made from gold and silver. For the first time, people had a universal way to assign value and trade efficiently. This was the beginning of what we now call foreign exchange trading value between different systems. The rise of paper money. Fast forward to ancient China and medieval Europe. Governments and empires began using paper money backed by gold or silver. Trade exploded between nations and so did the need to convert currencies. By the 17th century, banks were established to help with these exchanges. Currency trading became more organized, but it still wasn't global. Yet, the gold standard. In the 1800s, the world adopted the gold standard. That meant every country's currency was backed by a specific amount of gold. This created stability and allowed international trade to boom, but it also limited countries' ability to grow or print more money. During the early 1900s and after World War I, the gold standard became harder to maintain. Economic shocks and wars made it nearly impossible to hold on to fixed exchange rates. Bretton Woods and the US dollar. After World War II, world leaders came together in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire to rebuild the global economy. They agreed to fix currencies to the US dollar, and the dollar would be backed by gold. This became known as the Bretton Woods system. For a while, this brought stability, but by 1971, the US ended the gold convertibility of the dollar and the system collapsed. That's when currencies began to float freely, rising and falling based on supply, demand, and economic strength. This is the birth of the modern Forex market. The digital revolution. In the 1980s and 1990s, something big happened. Technology, computers, satellites, and the internet transformed trading. Banks could trade currencies in seconds across continents. Then came online trading platforms, bringing Forex to retail traders like you and me. Suddenly, anyone with an internet connection could trade currencies from home. The Forex market became decentralized, global, and open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Modern Forex market. Today, the Forex market is the largest financial market on earth, with over $7 trillion traded daily. Central banks use it to manage economies. Corporations use it to hedge risk. Hedge funds trade it for massive profits. And retail traders like you use it for opportunity and freedom. Forex is shaped by interest rates, inflation, political decisions, and global events. It's dynamic, fast-paced, and constantly evolving. Why this matters. Understanding the history of Forex isn't just interesting, it's essential. It helps you grasp why markets move, why central banks act the way they do, and why currency values fluctuate with global news. The more you understand the roots of Forex, the better trader you become. Because Forex isn't just about charts, it's about people, politics, money, and history. Finally, thanks for joining us on this journey through the history and evolution of Forex. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment below. What part of Forex history surprised you the most? Stay tuned for more deep dives into Forex strategies, tools. Until next time, trade smart, stay curious, keep learning,